Chapter 8 The Creepy Crawlies. Insects are creepy crawly creatures having 3 pairs of legs and a pair of antennae on the front of the head. Now, in this exercise, you are supposed to choose the right word from the help box and fill the blanks. You are given pictures of various insects. We have to read the clue given and write the right answer in the given blank. So let us start. The fastest running insect is the dash, which can run at a speed of 9.1 km per hour. So which is this fastest running insect? It is the Australian tiger beetle. Number 2. The loudest insects are dash, which can be heard from 400 meters away. Now, which is this insect which can be heard from such a far away distance? Yes, this is the cicadas. They make such a loud noise that they can be heard from a very far off distance. Number 3. The fastest flying insect is the dash. It can fly at around 157.72 kilometers per hour. Now, this is a very commonly known insect to you all. Yes, it is the dragonfly. Dragonfly is the fastest flying insect. Number 4. The world's largest insect, the males of this species can be 9 cm long, 5 cm wide and 4 cm thick. Now look at the insect. It looks like a beetle. Yes, this is known as the Goliath beetle. It is the world's largest insect. Number 5. The largest moth is the dash, which is as long as 33.2 centimeter from its front wing tip to the rear wing tip. Moth, normally you all would have seen moths. They are in different colors and they look more like butterflies, but they don't live for long. Now the largest moth is the Asian Atlas moth. The largest moth is the Asian Atlas moth, which is long as 33.2 centimeter. Number 6. The insect that migrates over the longest distance. Now, which is this insect which can fly from one place to another? That is a longer distance. Normally we hear birds flying from one place to another. Birds migrate, but here this insect also migrates from one place to another. It can travel to a longest distance. Which is this? It is the desert locust. It is the desert locust. The insect that migrates over long distance is desert locust. Number 7. The world's heaviest insect is dash, weighing up to 100 grams. Now, which is this insect which is very heavy? It is the Actaeon beetle. It is the world's heaviest insect, the Actaeon beetle. Next, number 8. The largest insect that is found in the rainforest of Borneo. This is the largest insect which is found in the rainforest. It looks like a twig. Its body looks like sticks. This is known as stick bug. It is known as the stick bug. Look at the picture, you can identify the insect. It looks like a stick. It is known as the stick bug. Chapter 9, all about plants. In this chapter, you have to say whether the statement given is true or false. Number 1. The outermost part of the flower is called calyx. Yes, it's true. The outer part of the flower is called calyx. Number 2. Wolffia plants are among the tallest plants in the world. It's false because Wolffia plants are the tiniest plants in the world. Number 3. The leaves of the Victoria amazonica plant are the biggest in the world. It's true because amazonica leaves, they are 7 to 8 meters long, and it is also known as the world's biggest lily. Number 4. A banana fruit has tiny seeds in it. Yes, it's true. Normally we say banana is a fruit without seeds, but many times we find the seeds. They are just small black particles you can see at times in the fruit. So they are the seeds of the fruit. Number 5. Potato is the root of the potato plant. It's false. Potato doesn't grow from its own. It is in the root. Though it grows underground, it is not the root of the plant. Number 6. Brinjal is the fruit of its plant, which we generally use as vegetable. Yes, brinjal is the fruit of the plant and we use it as a vegetable. Next, number 7. The part of onion plant that we generally use as a spice. First of all, onion is not any spice. It is a vegetable. So it is false. The pollens of most water plants spread by floating on water. It is again false. Pollens do not spread on floating water. Number 9. Lichen growing in Antarctica may be the world's oldest living thing. Yes, it is true. Number 10. Fir trees lose their leaves in winter. Yes, it's true. Fir trees are tall trees and their leaves are thin like needles, and during winter the leaves of the tree shed. Number 11. The coca in the Coca-Cola drink is got from the same plant from which the dangerous drug cocaine is made. Yes, it's true. Coca-Cola is made out of coca leaves extract. Number 12. Ferns are the world's oldest trees. True, ferns are the world's oldest trees. Number 13. The biggest rainforest is in the world is found in Brazil. Yes, it's true. The biggest rainforest, the forest Borneo, it is in Brazil. Number 14. Oranges are good for preventing cold. Yes, it is true because it is assumed that since oranges are rich source of vitamin C, they help in preventing cold. Students, please complete the exercise in your book and learn the chapter. Chapter 10. Name me. Read the help box and unscramble the jumbled up names of animals and plants given. Now in this exercise you can see picture of various plants given. You have to identify the plant and write their name. These plants bear flowers that are biggest in the world, measuring about 1 meter in diameter and weighing 11 kgs. So which is this plant? This is the Rafflesia plant. It is the biggest flower in the world. Number 2. It is the world's most poisonous plant. It is the hemlock plant. The most poisonous plant, this is the hemlock plant. Number 3. The wood of these plants is lightest and softest in the world. The wood of these plants is the lightest and softest. This is the balsa wood. This is the balsa wood plant. Number 4. It is the world's fastest growing sea plant of the sea, which can grow up to 1 meter a day. It is the giant kelp. This sea plant grows very fast. Every day it grows 1 meter long. Number 5. Its leaves are the world's largest, measuring 20 meters in length. Normally you would have seen palm leaves or coconut tree leaves, but this tree is known as the raffia palm, and its leaves measure 20 meters in length. They are the longest leaves of the world. Number 6. It is the world's biggest cactus, about 20 meter high and 1 meter thick. Cactus are normally found in deserts, isn't it? And this cactus is 20 meters tall and its thickness is 1 meter. Its thickness is 1 meter. It is saguaro, the world's biggest cactus. Its name is saguaro. Chapter 11, Flowering Beauties. Take the help of the clues to name the following plants and flowers. Number 1. It is the largest flower of Southeast Asia. It is an insectivorous plant found in the rainforest of Sumatra, which traps flies in a chamber present in its bottom. So this plant is insectivorous plant. It eats up insects which sit over it. So this is known as the Titanorum plant. It is known as the Titanorum plant. Number 2. It is a plant of daisy family having snowy red flowers and deep red and other colors. It is named after the German physician and botanist J.G. Jin. Since this flower is named after a physician, it is named as Zinnia, and this belongs to the daisy flower family. Number 3. It is a flower of the lily family, having early blooming blue flowers. It is also called the glory of the snow. Now these flowers are called the glory of the snow. It is the Chionadoria flower. It is the Chionadoria flower. Number 4. It is a climbing plant of the buttercup family bearing white, pink and purple flowers. It is also called traveler's joy. This is the clematis. Next, number 5. It is the smallest plant of the world which can be seen under magnifying glasses. Yes, this is the world's smallest plant. It is the Wolffia plant. It is the Wolffia plant. Number 6. It has bell-shaped flower and grows wild in the northern parts of the world. It is known as the bluebells. Normally, this flower also comes in yellow and orange color. This is known the bluebells. Number 7. It is also called the lion's tooth as it has jagged-edged leaves. It belongs to the daisy family. This is the dandelion flower. This is the dandelion flower. Number 8. It is an insectivorous plant which resembles a snake, ready to strike. It attracts insects with its sweet nectar. Now look at the plant. It has the shape of a snake and its nectar is sweet. So as the insects go to have the nectar of the plant, it traps the insect. This plant also eats up the insects. Chapter 12, Nutty Plants. In this chapter you are given pictures of few plants on which dry fruits grow. They are nutty fruits. They are known as nutty fruits. So you have to look into the picture and unscramble the jumbled name given. So it is very easy for you to understand the fruit given. Look at the fruit. It is the chestnut tree. This is the chestnut tree. Number 2. This is the Chilgoza pine tree. This is the Chilgoza pine tree. Number 3. Yes, you all like to eat this. It is the pistachio tree. It is the pistachio tree. Then number 4. Everyone's favorite, isn't it? It is the cashew tree. It is the cashew tree. Number 5. Again, you all love to eat this. It is the almond tree. It is the almond tree. Number 6. This is the walnut tree. This is a walnut tree. So you have to all learn the spellings and write them properly in the book. Chapter 15. Cities of India. Here you are given few questions. You have to answer about some famous cities of India. Each of these cities is famous for something or the other. You have to identify which city it is. Number 1. Which Indian city is famous as the orange capital of India? Where do we find more of oranges? Yes, it is Nagpur. Nagpur is known as the orange city of India. It is Nagpur. Number 2. Which Indian city is also known as the city of Nawabs? Now, which Indian city is known as the city of Nawabs? It is Lucknow. Lucknow is known as the city of Nawabs. Number 3. Name the Indian city that is also known as the city of palaces. Now, which is the city which is known as the city of palaces? Yes, it is Kolkata. Kolkata is known as the city of palaces. Number 4. Which Indian city is known as the Sandalwood city? Which Indian city is known as the Sandalwood city? Yes, it is Mysore. Mysore in Karnataka. Next, which city is also known as the Diamond City of India? It is Surat. Surat is known as the Diamond City of India. Number 6. Which Indian city is also known as the Queen of Arabian Sea? Which Indian city is known as the Queen of Arabian Sea? It is Cochin in Kerala. It is Cochin. It is known as the Queen of the Arabian Sea. Next, number 7. Which city is also known as the City of Lakes? Yes, this is the beautiful city Udaipur in Rajasthan. It is known as the City of Lakes. Now, number 8. Which is the most populated city of India and also known as the Gateway of India? This city is also known as the Gateway of India. Which city is this? Yes, it is the famous Mumbai. It is the most populated city of India and it is known as the Gateway of India. Number 9. Which city is the state of Karnataka is known as Silicon Valley of India? Which city Which city in the state of Karnataka is known as the Silicon Valley of India? Yes, it is the famous Bengaluru. It is a famous city, Bengaluru. It is known as the Silicon Valley of India. Number 10. Which city in Andhra Pradesh is also known as the city of pearls? Again, this is another famous city. It is a very big metro city. It is Hyderabad. Which city in Andhra Pradesh is also known as the city of pearls? It is Hyderabad. Students, you have to complete all the chapters up to 15 in your book and learn them.